What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. Today, Harbor Freight released another round of coupons that are good from September 19th to October 2nd. So you got plenty of time to get in the store and take advantage of these deals. However, I'm going to be honest, there aren't many that are going to blow off your socks. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here you can see limited time coupons Monday, September 19th, which is the day of recording, through Sunday, October 2nd. And they started off the coupons with some $1 through like $9 deals on your low priced items. Main things to take away from here are the air compressor fittings for $1 a piece, male or female, limit 4 on those. There is a pick set, however, I have found in experience that these are not very good and the tips tend to bend quite easily. Up next, we've got the 6-inch magnetic parts holder. Handy to have a couple of those around, especially for $2. You've got a high visibility socket adapter set for $3. Can't hurt to throw one of those in the old toolbox. This one's actually a pretty good deal. I mean, you're only saving $2, but for $5 a piece, you can get the SAE metric and star folding hex key sets. The coupon is limit 4, so you are able to get one of each if you'd like. And these are great for throwing into a spare tool set or a bag that you keep in the car. Speaking of bags to keep in the car, you can also grab this 12-inch 21 pocket tool bag for $5. So if you need an extra little bag, not a bad option there. In this ad, you're going to see a couple tarps. We're getting into fall, so keep an eye on those if you use those for leaf cleanup and things like that. And now we're getting into the regular coupons here. And you'll see throughout here, there's not a whole lot going on. You got $100 off a 72-inch triple bank roller cabinet. You've also got the Daytona 4-ton professional jack for $199, so that's $40 off there. You're going to notice that the Bauer cordless tools are in this set of coupons again. You got the 20-volt 5-amp for $49.99, the 20-volt 3-amp for $39.99. Over here, we've got the Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set, 225 piece for $114.99. That's $35 off. It's not a bad set for the homeowner if you need a set around the house. Definitely by no means professional tools, but you do get the lifetime warranty with those. And down here, we've got the pressure washer for cleaning up the driveway and sidewalks for $184, so $15 off. Not a great deal. You do have the Predator 6.5 horse chipper shredder. That is $549.99, so $50 off there. Moving on, we've got the Daytona 1.5-ton aluminum racing jack. This is great if you got a small car or a car that's low to the ground, don't need anything super heavy duty. It's $109.99, so it's going to save you some money versus that big 4-ton as well. Got the backpack sprayer here on sale now. That's not a bad price, $24.99, which is $10 off the regular price. However, you really need to keep in mind with these backpack sprayers that whatever you put in there is going to be carried on your back. So if it's something that's going to hurt your skin or burn your skin, you need to be very cautious, because if it leaks, your back is going to be covered in it and you're going to be in a world of hurt. So they have their place. Just keep that in mind if you're using them. Another tarp here. And then we've got the 8.5 amp corded Bauer 1/2-inch impact wrench for $59.99. So $30 off there. Not a bad price on that. 20-volt cordless 1/2-inch hammer drill driver kit. This is the kit that comes with the drill and the battery and the carrying case for $64.99 or $15 off. Moving on, we've got the Pittsburgh 12-ton bottle jack for $34.99, $10 off there. Not bad if you need to throw that in your off-road vehicle or just want something a little bit better than your factory spare tire jack. And then we've got the Bauer 20-volt 1.5 amp for $22.99 from $24. We've also got the Bauer rotary hammer drill here for $74.99. So if you're looking for a big drill for concrete and masonry work, you've got that option. You've got the titanium auto darkening welding helmet for $89.99. This is the one with the bigger lens And then down here, you've got the smaller lens version for $64.99. I'm going to be honest with you guys, you can do a lot better on Amazon when it comes to welding hoods. These titanium hoods are imports anyways, so look at the reviews on Amazon, find something at a better price. Mine from Yes Welder has a huge lens in it, and it is awesome, and it was cheaper than either of these. You've got the Predator, 15.8 horsepower, 459cc gas engine for $459.99. I see what you did there, Harbor Freight. Socket set for $34.99, quarter, 3/8, half-inch drive, SAE, and metric. Once again, not a bad set if you need something for the garage or around the house, but by no means professional quality. These wrench sets, you've got a 9-piece for $5.99. You can get that in SAE or metric. They also have a 22-piece set over here for $14.99. You do get 4 more wrenches in the 22-piece set. 2 of those are in the metric set. 2 of those are in the SAE set. So for the extra $2, it's worth getting the 4 extra wrenches because it fills in a couple sizes. Although that still does not get you a set that does not skip sizes. There's still a couple that are skipped in this. As we continue, you've got the 20-volt Bauer impact driver. This is tool only for $49.99, so you'd have to get a battery and charger if you don't already have that. And down here we've got some casters on sale, 3-inch poly casters with swivel and brake for $4.99. If you haven't shopped for casters, they are a little pricey to begin with, so saving anything you can on them is great. I recently realized this when I built my plasma table. I'll link a video to that up here. If you need some Teflon tape, 89 cents a roll, stock up on those. It is limit 4 though, so you can't go too crazy. That about wraps up this round of coupons. Like I said, nothing that's really going to blow your socks off or take your breath away. However, there are a couple deals worth checking out if you're interested, especially in the Bauer line. You still can get good deals on those tools. And once again, these coupons go until October 2nd. So you got roughly 2 weeks to get in there and check out these coupons and take advantage of any of these deals.